All right, so based on that conversation we had a few days ago about the easement and what you can do when your property is landlocked, I want to show you guys a little opportunity we had here. This is in Durham, North Carolina. This is a great example. We just bought this property. We had this 5 acres under contract, and it's obviously landlocked, right? So we came to this property in front and we offered $35,000 cash to get this road frontage access so we can get straight back to our property. This is 5 acres in the back. We paid $50,000 for this 5 acres. Then we came to this little 1.7 acres in the back, and we're paying $35,000 for that. And we're actually buying this from a wholesaler, so we tagged on a $30,000 assignment fee. We're paying a total of $108,000 for this, but it's a great example of what you can do. So we're paying $108,000 for this property. We're listing it for $325,000 through a broker on Monday. And look at this location here, guys. So I zoom out. We are 5 miles from the Raleigh National Airport, and right outside of Durham. This is considered Durham, North Carolina. This is one of the hottest markets in North Carolina. Everyone always asks, can you do this in hot markets like this? We are smack in between Raleigh and Durham. This is 5 miles or 8 miles from Durham, 5 miles or 6 miles to the airport, and right outside Raleigh. You talk about desirability. This is a steal. This is a great deal. And just because you get a landlocked property back that doesn't have road access doesn't mean it's a quit. It doesn't mean it's closed. Look at opportunities to get that road frontage. You can get really good deals out of it. This is a great example based on what we talked about.